Small businesses using AI are producing the output of companies 10 times their size at a fraction of the cost. In this video, I cover the 5 most impactful AI tools for small business owners, complete setup for each one, real workflow examples you can copy, how to use AI to replace expensive software subscriptions, and the honest truth about what AI can and cannot do for your business. Large companies have entire departments for marketing, design, customer service, and administration. Small businesses typically have one person doing everything. AI levels this playing field dramatically. A solopreneur using the right AI tools can produce marketing content, professional designs, customer communications, and business automation that matches what a 10-person team would produce. The companies benefiting most from AI are not the tech giants, they are small businesses with nimble owners who adopt these tools quickly. The 5 tools and what they replace. ChatGPT or Claude replaces your copywriter, email writer, and research assistant, saving $2,000 to $8,000 per month in freelance fees. ElevenLabs replaces voiceover artists, saving $500 to $2,000 per project. Canva AI replaces graphic designers for most standard tasks, saving $1,000 to $1,500 per month. N8N or Zapier replaces virtual assistants for repetitive workflow tasks, saving $1,500 to $4,000 per month. Otter AI replaces transcription services, saving $200 to $500 per month. Total, over $50,000 per year for most small businesses. Most business owners use ChatGPT like a search engine and get mediocre results. Use it properly by setting up custom instructions first. Tell it your business name, what you sell, your target audience, and your brand voice. Then every output is tailored to your business automatically. Use it to write email sequences, create social media content calendars, draft proposals and quotes, research competitors, prepare for sales calls, and write product descriptions. One 30-minute session per week using AI properly produces more content than most businesses create in a month. The highest leverage automation for most small businesses is the new customer workflow. When someone submits a contact form, AI drafts a personalized reply, a task is created in your project management tool, and the lead is added to your CRM automatically, in under 2 minutes, even at 2 a.m. Set this up once and it runs forever. Second priority is invoice processing, new invoice received, saved to Google Drive, spreadsheet updated, notification sent to you. Third is social media, new content piece created, AI writes platform-specific captions, scheduled for posting. Important precautions. Never feed confidential client data into free AI tools without checking the terms of service and privacy policy. Always review AI-generated content before sending to customers. AI makes factual errors, verify specific claims and numbers. Some industries legally require disclosure of AI involvement, check your sector. Keep humans reviewing any customer-facing communication. Back up all AI-generated content. And check the copyright status of AI-generated images before using them in commercial materials. All tools free to start. ChatGPT at chat.com, Claude at Claude.ai. ElevenLabs at ElevenLabs.io. Canva at Canva.com, N8N at N8N.io. Zapier at Zapier.com, Otter AI at Otter.ai. All links in the description below. If this helped, subscribe. I cover AI tools that save businesses real money every single week. See you in the next one.